Welcome to Sfile, the company that is changing the economics of discovery. For this demo, we will feature Sfile's default relevancy and privileged tagging. To begin with, we will explain how to do bulk tagging. I'm going to start, and I'm going to use the advanced search builder, and I'm going to choose email. In this case, I'm going to search where some recipients are members of a particular law firm. Choose recipient, and now I execute my search, and I have 50 results. I'm going to go up here at the top of the bar and choose retrieve those results, and if I desire, I can minimize the advanced search builder. I can come back and preview these documents. And once I've determined that these documents are all from the law firm and that they should all be marked privileged, I can simply come back to my advanced search builder, and I'll go up here and choose the update function. And I'm going to update them as true and press on the continue button. And now all those documents will be marked as privileged. I can also look for junk mail. In this case, I will look for email from a popular site, Expedia. I'm going to choose sender. I'll hit apply, and we have 13 results. I will retrieve those, and again, I can minimize. And just by looking at these emails, I can see that they are from Expedia and that they are not relevant to the matter. So now I will use the update function, and I'm going to mark all of them as false, not relevant. And now I'm going to run a search for a specific set of terms, keywords and concepts. In this case, printing commercial equipment lease. And I want to find all those words in a single document. I'm going to choose all. I'm now going to search, and I find 18 documents, and I'm going to retrieve those. Now I'll minimize this view, and now I can view those documents inside the Sfile image viewer. I'm going to undock this. And now to use our default tagging, I'll click on the privileged tag here, and this is going to open up the privileged window. I'll choose edit to open it up, and from here I can now start looking through documents. In this case, I'm going to say this document is non-relevant, and I'm going to save it over here on the right, and I'm going to save it. And now, if you have this pop-up, this is optional, and it can be disabled if required, but it does give feedback to the reviewer that their action has been accepted. I'll move to the next document, and I can look at it. I'm going to look at it, and maybe this time I'm going to decide that it is not privileged. And I'm going to save my determination. I will move to the next document. I will choose that this one is privileged, and I can also add some notes over here in the notes section if I want to for future reference, and I'm going to go ahead and save that. And if I go back now and look at the top left, I can see the visual icons telling me how these documents have been reviewed. Blue means not relevant, green means relevant, not privileged, red means privileged, and white means that this document has not yet been reviewed. And when I click back on a previous document, you can see here in the privilege pane that it has the tag information, the user ID, and the date and timestamp for the creation of that tag. Once these values have been entered, you can go back to the advanced search builder. I'm going to choose determinations, and you'll be able to search those tags. So I can look for all documents that are privileged, and find them. I would simply hit apply. And so this concludes our demonstration. Thank you.